If you're given this coding question during the interview, your interviewer is basically giving you a freebie. So you're given a 2D matrix, the ones represents land and the zeros represents water. Now if lands are connected together, they form an island. Return the perimeter of the island. Let's say we're given this matrix with this island. If we count the number of edges in the perimeter, we get 16. Let's go over the thought process. For each of the land inside the matrix, the initial perimeter will be 4. Then for each of the adjacent land, we will need to decrease the perimeter by 1. Let's go over the code. Create a 2D matrix to keep track of the 4 directions. Implement the function island parameter taking the input grid, keep track of the perimeter, iterate through the rows and columns. If the current cell is a land, increment perimeter by 4 minus the number of adjacent lands. Return perimeter. Now implement the function get number of adjacent lands taking the row, column, and the grid. Keep track of the number of lands. Iterate through the 4 directions. Calculate new row and the new column. If the new cell is not out of bound and contains a land, increment lands. Return lands.